Welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. We've been coming to you live from the 85th Annual STA Market Structure Conference in Washington, D.C. Joining me on set is Andrew Actman. He is the Director of Business Development over at Sterling Trading Tech. Thank you very much for joining us on set today. Let's talk about cloud-based risk analytics. What are you doing over at Sterling?
Sure, so thanks for having us.
You got it.
So we built a real-time risk analytics tool because we saw a need for real-time risk volatility adjustments to equities options on futures, because nobody is doing that in real time. So we saw the need to provide a solution to both brokers and end users, a tool that's going to help analyze volatility and risk in real time.
It's really interesting because I would say two key topics at STA this year has been cost and risk. And it seems as if that platform fits right into that. It seemed, all the panels kind of had that same theme where cost, risk, and liquidity are the three key factors that the desks and brokers and exchanges are looking at.
Yeah, 100%. So I think one of the great things about the solution is because it's cloud-based, you don't need an internal stack to support the system, right? And then we've taken all the calculations out of the equation. So we built an engine that does all those calculations for you, and then in addition, we've got a GUI if you choose to use it, to put it right on your desktop and use it from wherever you are, or you could take a feed and use that to plug into one of your existing systems.
Do you think that's going to be the future for capital markets, moving everything to the cloud?
It's funny, we were talking about this yesterday. So I think the answer is yes. I think at the end of the day, you'd love to be able to see somebody sitting on a beach, managing risk. Trading, looking at how your traders are doing. So I think things are going to move that way. I think it's going to take some time.
Right. Because I would imagine cybersecurity is always going to be an issue. And as you know, broker-dealers, trading desks, they're always hyper-neurotic about the security of their proprietary software and trading plans and so forth.
Yeah, I think that's a key component to this whole process because at the end of the day, you're putting through proprietary trading data into that, right? So you want to make sure you have that in place. So that was very important when we put the tool together. We have a full security protocol as well. So again, that's going to be a tough problem to solve for bigger things.
Right, but it's really interesting though, everything's just moving to cloud. It's like your operations teams just have less on their plate. So
I don't know about less on. If I said that, I think they'd kill me. But there's still a lot on the plate, but it takes a lot of it out of the equation.
Right, to focus on other things.
That's right, and people can access it easier, quicker, and faster from anywhere.
All right, well, thank you very much for joining us at STA. And thank you for joining me throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets